Hold on tight. We're about to reveal the secrets behind moving some of the world's heaviest loads. It's not just transport, it's pure engineering genius in action. Ready to be amazed? Let's go. Wow, look at the Castor Pollux vehicles hauling a 65-ton reel with 6,600 meters of cable up this corkscrew mountain road. Sharp turns push these beasts to their limits as engines roar through each bend. Their torque and traction are simply jaw-dropping. Need to move a heavy load? This company's got you covered. Their custom rigs, featuring a specialized pull and push truck system, effortlessly handle massive loads. Right now, they are transporting a 220,000-pound transformer with a staggering total of 414,000 pounds combined using one pull truck and one push truck. This was one big challenge. The convoy was hauling a massive 170-ton cable spool, nearly 40 meters long, winding through mountain passes to reach Griemens-Zinal. Police had to clear the road just to let this giant through. With drone footage capturing every intense hairpin turn, you can see the crew's incredible driving skills as they expertly maneuvered each twist and turn to reach the final drop-off point. Hold on to your seats. The Chernchich convoy is heading to Seeburg, Switzerland. Watch as these powerful timber trucks expertly navigate the winding roads, transporting logs from the forest down to the valley below. Transporting concrete mats, like the Amazon mat pour, becomes a synchronized spectacle when led by industry giants such as Sellon, Stoneway, Brundage Bone, and Cadman. It's as if thousands of yards of concrete are part of a meticulously choreographed dance. Each truck, a performer in this massive operation, arrives perfectly timed to ensure the entire process unfolds seamlessly. The MAN TGA 41.660 Roxu is a great example of heavy-duty performance in the transport industry. Right now, it's hauling a 200-ton beam that's 35 meters long, using Goldhofer modular trailers at the By Means Y site. While it might look easy, handling such a massive load on steep hills and rough roads is actually pretty tricky. Drivers deserve a lot of credit for their skill in managing these challenges. Oh no! A tiny mistake while turning on this rocky road, and just like that, a wood spill could happen. When transporting iron ore 150 kilometers from Kaunisvaara to Pitkäjärvi, specialized truck convoys weighing 90 tons are utilized. The lead truck efficiently pulls the load while the rear truck assists with distribution. Each truck features hydraulic lift trailers that allow the containers to tilt for unloading bulk materials. This design is essential for optimizing the efficiency and safety of heavy hauling operations. Transport bedrive schoons. BV has leveled up with 3 new Broshwi's semi-low loaders. After years of great performance, they're adding these 4-axle units to boost capacity and streamline operations. This smart move will reduce downtime, costs, and training complexity, keeping them ahead of the competition. The Komatsu 90-ton pipe layer is smoothly disembarking from the 100-ton trailer with the Komatsu D8K driver, demonstrating exceptional skill. Using powerful hydraulics and precision control, the driver maneuvers the massive load with remarkable ease, showcasing the true capabilities of modern heavy-duty equipment. A dry hay trailer that changes the game. This innovative design features a flatbed with a hydraulic lift, transforming the way hay is loaded and unloaded. When the bed rises, it creates a slope, letting those hay bales slide right into place. Straps keep everything secure during transport, and once at the destination, the bed lowers, allowing for a smooth exit. This is not just a trailer, it's a masterpiece of efficiency in farming. Wait, 5,000 horsepower in a V8 engine? That's insane. Scania has really taken heavy-duty performance to the next level. This thing is a total game changer. The Flash Consortium truck is handling a true powerhouse, a stator weighing 358 metric tons with dimensions that are anything but modest. At 10.5 meters long and 4.54 meters high, this behemoth isn't just big, it's a technical marvel. Navigating through India's diverse landscapes, the challenge of clearing bridges like this one required unparalleled precision in route planning. Watch out, or you'll get swept away in that crazy current. The engine of the Flash Consortium truck is incredible, effortlessly powering through that fast-moving water. This oversized load, probably part of a major infrastructure project, cruises smoothly through the desert, escorted by 4 CHP units. From deserts to mountains to busy highways, these machines are built to tackle any terrain they come across. A 180-ton Titan crawling around a tight curve, the frame bending like a coiled spring under pressure. Increased gooseneck pressure enhances traction, while the truck's suspension compresses to counteract the load. This dynamic interplay ensures stability and maneuverability. But here's the kicker. The driver tackled this entire nerve-wracking maneuver solo. No support team in sight. Watching this 140-ton Tessmec trencher monster roll onto the Goldhofer trailer, you can almost feel the ground shake. Every bolt and groan of the engine gives you a front-row seat to extreme engineering. With a Goldhofer THP/SL trailer, an MANT GX680WSK tractor, this transport shows off precision logistics, built for stability and heavy-duty adaptability. Each phase reflects Stavridis SA of commitment to safe, efficient movement of oversized loads. Oh my gosh! Oversized transport proves that there's no limit to what we can achieve. The idea that you can pick up a whole house is mind-blowing, and Hughes made it happen. They spent 18 months preparing, but when the time came, the actual relocation took just 38 minutes. They lifted, moved, and set it down at the new site like magic. It just goes to show that with the right team, nothing is too big to move. Imagine the scene. Two colossal MVR evaporators, each weighing 160 tons and stretching 40 meters long, standing 6.2 meters high and 5 meters wide, rolling through the enchanting Finnish winter night like giants on frozen roads. Ahola's team tackled this challenge from the very first step, ensuring every part of the journey was meticulously mapped out, demonstrating the vision and skill needed to navigate the icy terrain safely while delivering these engineering marvels almost effortlessly. Two disassembled CAT 793D dump trucks, each capable of hauling 232 tons, are being transported by Centurion Transport on Barclay Highway. The oversized load warnings seem almost understated given the sheer scale of these mining giants. Pankapuli forestry truck's wheels spin frantically as it climbs the muddy, gravel-strewn hill, struggling to find grip on the slick, uneven surface. On December 8, 2024, the Superload, destined for Intel through Etna, Ohio, experienced significant oscillation when the rear vehicle halted. Utilizing two trailers equipped with flexible, pivoting wheels, the convoy was able to execute a precise turn around the sharp bend, maintaining full control throughout. This flawless maneuver highlighted the critical role of logistics coordination in ensuring smooth, safe transport of such massive loads.
Push it.
How do you think they managed to navigate that massive wind turbine blade through such a tight turn under a bridge? We're witnessing an incredible feat as this truck executes a sharp turn with a giant load of wind farm equipment, passing effortlessly under the bridge. It's a jaw-dropping sight. These drivers are truly remarkable, expertly maneuvering colossal loads with precision. The technology behind self-steering trailers is astonishing, enabling them to make near 90-degree turns with impressive efficiency. In this stunning footage, watching Patrick Beekmans operate the gleaming Volvo FH16750 while transporting the massive Liebherr 974 excavator on the Newtboom. 3-axle low loader is exhilarating. The way they navigate through diverse environments, from flat stretches to sharp bends, highlights the meticulous planning and skill required in this industry. Schoons truly sets the bar high for oversized transport, proving that expertise and dedication lead to successful heavy-duty operations.
Ja, jetzt noch filmen.
Ah, was?
Mind blown. That excavator operator is a magician. Watching that machine gracefully hop off the truck without a ramp is pure skill. Looks like he's been playing with toy construction vehicles his whole life. In a recent specialized transport operation, Donna's Transport and Citic HIC Gandara, Sensa SAU transported oversized metal structures through the urban landscape of Porriño during nighttime hours. The roar of their engines echoed through the city, turning an ordinary night into an extraordinary adventure. Will they navigate the twists and turns of the city without a hitch?
Yes. Porriño, accediendo a la autovía aquí por la calle hacia la Rista aquí.